In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Replit app as a zip file. This can be a useful skill if you want to back up your project, share it with others, or simply transfer it to another system. So whether you're new to Replit or just need a refresher, this guide will help you through the process effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Replit account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Replit website. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, you can easily reset it by following the prompts. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see your account dashboard. Next, direct your attention to the Apps section. You'll find this section prominently displayed on the main page. Clicking on Apps will show you a list of all your projects, also known as repeals, that you have been working on. This is where you can manage all your different coding projects, and it's the starting point for downloading them. Now you need to choose the project you want to download. Scroll through your list until you find the one you're interested in. Click on it to open the project. This will take you to the project's workspace where you can see and edit your code and other files associated with the project. To proceed with downloading, you'll want to look at the top left of your screen for the folder icon. Clicking this icon will open the File Explorer sidebar. This sidebar will display all the files and directories contained in your project. Think of it like a bird's eye view of everything you have in there. With your project files now visible, look towards the Files sidebar where there's a three-dot menu. This menu is your gateway to more file management options. Click on this three-dot menu and a list will drop down with various actions you can perform. From the menu, select Download as Zip. This option will bundle all your project files into one convenient zip file. A zip file is a compressed format, making it easy to download and store large projects without taking up too much space or time. Finally, the zip file will start to generate and download directly to your device. You can usually find downloaded files in your computer's Downloads folder unless you have set a different location in your browser settings. And there you have it, a straightforward way to download your Replit project as a zip file. Keep this method in mind for the future, whether it's for version control or simply keeping an archive of your work. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.